Will artificial intelligence replace your financial advisor? It's really a fair question. There's no doubt AI is changing the financial services industry at an unprecedented rate, streamlining everything from operations to research. It can organize meeting notes, track action items for follow-up, update systems and processes, and even quickly analyze large volumes of information. That means advisors can spend less time on administrative work and more time on what truly matters: thoughtful advice, strategic planning, and building meaningful relationships with clients. Here's the truth about AI. It can't replace human judgment. It just doesn't understand family dynamics, business dynamics, personal values, or the collaborative decision-making required in complex financial planning. AI struggles with multidisciplinary issues such as estate planning and taxes and business succession and insurance. These areas demand experienced advisors with the ability to navigate emotion and relationships. That's where skilled financial advisors excel, bringing empathy, creativity, and human insight to every decision. Doesn't mean AI should be tossed aside, but it's just not a replacement for your advisor either. It's an enhancement, because the best outcomes happen when technology and human insight work together. To learn more, check out the link in the caption.